Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in today our video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually flip your small account. Okay, so let's say you're a boom and crash trader, you are a VIX trader, you're a currency trader. This video is actually for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to as many persons as possible. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually flip your small account, be it a $1, a $2, a $3, 10, 20, $100 and even above, even how to flip your $1,000 to 10,000 and so on. This video is actually for you. Okay, so it's actually tailored for you and I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step process. So hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to as many persons as possible. So guys, don't actually forget, this is actually December, right? So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. All right, I'm going to be teaching 50 persons my strategy for just the sum of $30. All right, normally the fee I charge to actually teach this strategy is about $100 and above. $100 for group mentorship and $200 for private mentorship. So I'm just going to be giving this strategy away to 30 persons for 50 persons for $30 each. All right, so you actually need this course to actually enter the year 2025. All right, so here, how do you actually use this strategy to your advantage? So those are the things we're going to be discussing in this particular video. So like right here on the VIX 25 index, 1 second. All right, already have a setup right here. So I'm already in this particular trade. I'm going to be showing you guys on a $5 account. Okay, so the first thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying to build this account up. Okay, let's say to about $50. All right, so right now the trade I just entered like 3 positions, 0.5 lots each. So I just want to try to flip this account. All right, so what is the thing that actually made me to enter this trade? All right, so I have a sweep of liquidity. Right here. Okay, so I'll be teaching you guys advanced stuff that will help you to actually flip your account. Okay, for just $30, guys, for just $30. I have a sweep of liquidity right here. Okay, just a moment. I have a sweep of liquidity right here. So since I have a sweep of liquidity, what do I have next? I have a break of structure to the downside. So and the next thing I'm looking out for is what? Right, sorry, my system is actually kind of slow. So the next thing I'm actually looking out for is what? A sweep of a break of structure to the downside. My system is actually not responding as fast as I wanted. So and then I have a pullback. All right, the pullback should be at least 50%. Okay, the pullback should be at least 50%. You see that? So this is actually perfect, guys. So and now I have my second break of structure, which is right here. All right, and then my POI is just right there. My POI and my protected high is just right above there. All right, it's there. So what happened, fam? What happened? This pullback right here did not actually sweep your structural liquidity right here. This is your structural liquidity. So the market, this pullback did not actually sweep it and went further to push to the downside. So right now, what happened? This market is actually very, very reliable since this low has actually been taken out. All right, so this is going to be my target. So I'm just going to get the least I can get from this market. All right, so that's going to be my target. Let me just go ahead and delete the stuff on the screen. Let me just go ahead and delete the shandies on the screen. Okay, so this is going to be my target for now. This is going to be my target, and then this is my protected high. All right, so the protected high is still intact, guys. It's still very, very intact. Okay, still very intact. So my system is kind of slow. I think it's hooking. Maybe there are some applications that are open and they are making it slow. So I'm going to be showing you guys my entries. All right, I'm just going to be showing you guys my entries pretty soon. Okay, so you see that's my target, and I have like 1.5 lots on these. Okay, just 3 positions. So I'm not going to add anything. Why? Because this is a $5 account. I just don't want to blow it. Okay, so that's my stop loss, probably like a 3 point something. So if I lose it, I still have probably like some $1 and some cent left to actually use it on and try again with another trade. So right here, let's look at the reason why we actually took this trade is because you already saw that this is actually going down and is headed for this particular low is here. So, and we just try to align ourselves with the trend. So, and if you look at the higher time frame, the market is what to at some key levels, okay, at some key levels. All right. So, but already this strategy is on my YouTube channel. The breakdown is already on my YouTube channel, how to look at stuff from the higher time frame. All right, and we had a confirmation on the 15 minutes, which makes it really viable. Okay, very viable trading opportunity. So let's look at another examples. Let's look at 2 more examples, and then let's look at 2 more examples. The VIX 100 1 seconds. All right, so for the VIX 100 1 seconds, I think I was actually looking at a particular setup here, but the market did not actually come to it. So now let's go to a higher time frame. Okay, from the higher time frame perspective, what are we looking at? We are seeing the bullish market where the market is actually moving to the upside. We have highs and lows, and so on. The market is just moving in that direction to the upside. So based on that, we're just going to go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours and look at what the market is actually doing here. So right here, what we have a simple break and retest. Okay, we have a very simple break and retest stuff. So, and then the market just came to a key level, which is this resistance tone support. Okay, resistance tone support. All right. So since the market just came to that area, we're going to look at 4 hour pattern. Okay, the model, the sell model, the buy model, the buy model. So we're just going to look for those patterns. Okay, so that's what we are just going to look out for. Okay, so we go to the smaller time frame, like the 15 minutes. All right, we go to the smaller time frame, like the 15 minutes. Let's see. So on the 15 minutes, can we see any significant sweep? All right, so mind you, any time frame is actually viable, so that because if you can see it clearly, therefore you can take it. All right, so on the 10 minutes time frame, we have what? A sweep of liquidity right here. Okay, we have a sweep of liquidity, we have a break of structure. All right, we have a break of structure which is right here. All right, and then we have a pullback which provides what our structural liquidity, and then we have our protected low which is right here. So that protected low is meant to be protected. All right, so sometimes the market can actually sweep below it and then before pushing to the upside. So we have our second break of structure. So what am I going to be teaching you for that course? I'm going to be teaching you how to master the entries for this particular strategy and some of my special strategy, guys. That one I'll just be revealing it for you guys in 2025, and that strategy is actually going to help you to flip your account. Okay, it's mainly for account flipping, and I have a robot, guys. I have a robot. So you mark out your POI. Your POI stands for your point of what? Interest. So right now, what I'm actually waiting for is the market to actually return back to this key level, and then take out this low here. All right. So when the market takes out that low, I can actually look for my confirmation and then go for longs. Okay, I'll go for longs, buy all the way to that protected high. So if it respects that area and then come back, that is going to be my target. Okay, so that's actually going to be my target. So let's go back to the VIX 25 and see how that plays. So this is my next viable setup, guys. I just share this guys with you. It has not happened yet, but it's already in alignment with the whole higher time frame stuff. So let's look at the VIX 25 index, and then we can look at some other example on another pair. All right, so this is actually running. Okay, it's still running. We just had a little pullback. I don't want to be tempted to add another sell, so I'll just just gonna hold it. Okay, so let's look at another example, probably VIX 25 1 seconds. Yeah, try not to trade too many pairs, guys. All right, why? Because if you do that, you're gonna lose focus. Okay, so right here, first and foremost, the thing to do is to actually identify the trend of the market. Okay, once you identify the trend of the market, you are already halfway mastering the strategy. So from the high time frame perspective, you have to look for the trend. Okay, so you can see that on the daily time frame, we just took out a high. Okay, so there's a more likelihood of this market coming to the premium zone, the discount, sorry, coming to the discount, like the 50% level of the Fibonacci. So it has to come to somewhere. The market has the possibility of coming to somewhere around here, right? So that's the discount level. So it has the possibility of coming to somewhere around here. That's the whole of that is the discount. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to go to my discount level and then check for my setup, probability setup, high probability setup. So right now, let me just delete the whole shandies on the chart. So let me just mark let me just go back and mark it out. Then I go to the smaller time frame and then look for those discount level setup. Okay, so discount 50% from the 50% and above. Okay, sorry, from 50%. I wonder why my system is just so slow, guys, so just pardon me for that. So we just mark it to the top. All right, so this is it. So just go down to the 15 minutes time frame and then try to pick out stop loss that are actually at the discount, not the premium. So because right now you see that the market is actually losing some momentum. So right here, checking from the low here, I'm not seeing anything too clear. So from here, the whole of this side, there's nothing too clear. Okay, so like this, there's nothing too clear. So but I think from here, this is actually clear. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit. Let me just go ahead and delete this. All right, so we know our discount area already. So I'm just going to mark it out. We have our sweep. We have our sweep. We have our internal structure. Okay, this is internal. There are different types of setups. Okay, I'll be teaching you guys that. Okay, the type A, the type B, and the type C setups. Okay, so we have a pullback and we have a break of structure. In this particular case, we have just one type of setup. So we just have only one break. Okay, and now what we are waiting for, we're waiting for the market to come back, tap into our POI, take out this liquidity, that liquidity pool here, right there. So this is our POI. So this is what I will actually be waiting for. So we have the VIX. Which other pair was that? We have the other pair which I analyzed, but I'm actually waiting for 101 seconds. Yeah, so I'll just be waiting for that for today. Okay, so I'm not just going to be doing anything more. I'll just put my pending order on my demo account. If it triggers, then I think I'll get the alert and then I'll just take my trades. So this is it, fam. This is it. This is how simple this strategy is. Anybody can actually master it. So I'll be teaching you guys everything that align this strategy and some other things I've not actually shown you guys. And mind you, there's actually a student of mine. I'll just be documenting everything here. So who has been able to use this strategy to actually flip his account numerous times. Okay, so a student of mine have been able to master this strategy, taking $11 to about $1,000. Okay, so you too can actually do it, fam. You too can actually do it. You too can actually do it. So let's go back to VIX 25 index. Let's see what is actually happening there. So let's see. All right, so we are still in the sales, fam. We're still in the sales.